good?
Yeah, you might have to get a little more off the ends there, if that's breading. You're good, that's fine. It's not coming off. It's hard to tell sometimes unless you're touching it, and I'm not touching it.
Spicy on the hand?
No. They are hot though.
Sorry, they'll cool off.
Alright, I'm gonna let you go for a minute.
You guys are
You're a minute in.
John, how many wings do I have?
I got 2. 5.
You're a good pace.
You're a really good pace. Just make sure you get this stuff up too.
I will.
Yeah, you're an excellent pace.
Yeah, get these waters out of the way. Yeah, pat it down, pat it down.
Make sure you get the chicken here.
2 minutes, Chris, 2 minutes.
Sorry, dude.
That's okay.
Sorry.
It's splattered.
I got it on my cheek.
They're just splattered.
Oh, Rishi. Please tell me that's good.
Just have some meat, and that meat is the most there.
You're just 2.5 in.